Hello friends, welcome to the Success Square channel, and in the Linux series today we are going to do the very important command, that is ls. So throughout the Linux, whatever the commands we are going to do, ls is frequently used. So let us see. First of all, ls is the full name of ls is the listing only. So ls is used for the listing the contents of the directory. The contents of the directory means whatever the files inside the directory we will be having, it is going to display those number of files as well as the directories also. So let us see how it works. First of all, ls command is used to display the number of files inside the directory. Suppose if I'm using the ls space this slash represents the root directory only. So it is going to display the number of subdirectories or files which are contained inside this ls space root directory. Or if you can, if you want to view the number of files or subdirectories inside the home directory, so that home directory is having all these files as well as the subdirectories. And another example you can take is, suppose if I want to check the files or subdirectories inside any one of the configuration file, that is etc. So all these files are available inside the this slash etc directory. So this is how this ls works. We will see the simple examples of ls. So let us see any file is existing or no in our system. So ls is very simple command which is going to display or which is going to list the number of files which are existing in the system. So the very first one is ls. So all these files are existing in the system. Or if I want to simply view this file like this, ls animal, so it is giving me that particular output that ls animal file is existing in the system. Then the next option of ls we are having is ls hyphen a. So hyphen a we are using for all, as we have done in the creation of file video also when we created the hidden files. So at that time we have seen this option of hyphen a, which means that it is going to display or it is going to list those files also which are hidden. Let us recall that topic once again. Suppose I'm creating one file, that is hidden file. So when I'm going to display this particular file with this simple ls command, so this .a file is not existing over here. So when I'm using ls hyphen a, now this time it is going to display all the files including the regular files, including the hidden files also. So like this. So see, .a is available in the system now. Now we can easily view this file. With this, all the hidden files, all other hidden files also we can view. So this is how ls-a works. The next option of ls we are having is ls-l, or equivalent to this we are having the command that is ll. Now this stands for long listing. Now this command is going to display the detailed information regarding any of the file. Now if you are simply executing the ll command, so it is going to display the details of all the files which are existing, files as well as directories. Like this particular hyphen I told you represents the files, this d represents the directory. Now this is the information regarding all the files. Let us take one example. Like we were having one of a file of name fruits or animals. Let me clear this so that you can easily access. So the command is ls-l and the name of the file is animals. So see, it is giving the detailed information regarding the animal files. What are the permissions, who is the owner of this file, what is the size of this file, this is particular for the size, when this file was created or when this file was modified. So that information, that detailed information we are going to get with the help of this ls-l. So next option of ls we are having is ls space hyphen l and capital S. like this also you can use, or if you want to use like this also you can use, but we try to use like this only. So ls hyphen ls, now it is going to sort by size. This s represents the size. Now it is going to sort by size, plus it is going to display the size, or it is going to display the detail of the files. Now how it is going to sort by size? In the decreasing order. Let us see how it is going to sort in the decreasing order according to the size. So see, the highest is going to come on the top, means the size which is the maximum is going to come on the top. So this is how it is showing in the decreasing order. So hyphen s is used to sort by size. Next option of ls we are having is ls space hyphen lt. Now this is going to sort according to the modification time, means that most recently modified file and folders will be at the top of the list. Like we were sorting in the case of size also, the maximum size was on the top. Similarly, the recently modified file will be on the top. Let us create a file to show you that this is how the right now I am creating this file, and this will be on the top. And the command is ls-lt according to the timestamp we are sorting. ls-lt. So see, a file we have just created right now is on the top. So this is ls-lt working. Next option of ls we are having is ls-lh. So this is used, hyphen lh is used to show the file size in the human readable format. Means that when we have seen this thing, so this size, particular this size, we are not able to understand whether it is in the kbs, whether it is in the mbs or gbs, something like that. But when I'm going to use like ls hyphen lh, it is going to show the detail information also, as well as the size which the human can understand easily. Like ls hyphen lh, like I'm having one of the file in my system known as a.out. Now let us see what output it is going to show me. Now see, one extra k has been added over here, which represents that this particular file is in the kbs. Suppose if I am going to remove this h, so it is going to show me this information. Now I am not able to understand what is the units of this thing, this size, whether it is in the kbs, mbs or gbs. So when I'm going to use the hyphen h option, it is going to tell the information regarding the units that this file is in the kbs. So this is how the hyphen lh works. Next option, the last option we are having for the ls is ls hyphen capital R. Capital R stands for recursively. Now with this option, it is going to display the recursive list, means that all the files and folders within a folder to be listed. Let us see now. I'm going to create the hierarchy of the directories like we have seen in the previous example, also previous video, that is dir1 slash dir2 slash dir3. So this is the nested hierarchy we have made of these directories. Now how ls hyphen capital R is going to work? Now ls hyphen capital R is going to display the all the files under the parent file or parent directory. So parent directory we are having is dir1. So hyphen R, let us see the output of hyphen R. See, dir1 is having the subdirectory dir2. Inside dir2, dir1, dir2, inside dir2, this is the path we are showing over here, dir1 slash dir2. So inside dir2, we are having the directory, that is dir3. So this is a complete path this hyphen r is going to show you. So this is how this hyphen r is working. It is going to display the list recursively. So I hope you got each example regarding all the options of ls command, which is very important in the case of Linux operating system. So thank you so much.